When you search for cuticle oils and creams, everything looks the same. Same bottles, same claims about hydration and repair. But if you've ever used one and felt nothing changed, you know the truth. Most of them are just fancy scented water. The real difference isn't in the ads. It's in what actually absorbs, heals, and lasts.
Product number 1, Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. The Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. This gel caught my eye because it promises to eliminate excess cuticles in just 15 seconds. And honestly, it delivers. Priced under $5, it's one of the most affordable options out there. And with over 40,000 bought last month, clearly a lot of people are relying on it. If you want fast, no-fuss cuticle cleanup without cutting, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Instead of pushing or cutting cuticles, which can lead to infection or damage, this gel softens them so they wipe away easily. It contains aloe and chamomile, which helps soothe the skin during the process. The 29 milliliter bottle might seem small, but a little goes a long way. I've used it before manicures and it saves so much time. Plus, it dries fast, so you're not waiting around. Now, some people complained about it being too harsh if left on too long. Here's the thing though, that's user error, not a product flaw. The instructions say 15 seconds, not 5 minutes. If you follow the directions, it's gentle enough for weekly use. Still, if you have super sensitive skin, do a patch test first. This is perfect for you if you want quick, effective cuticle removal without scissors or nippers. Skip this one if you're looking for long-term hydration. This is a remover, not a moisturizer. For under $5, it's a steal for what it does.
Product number 2, Onyx Hardest Hoof Cream. That was a solid option for removal, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for damaged nails. The Onyx Professional Hardest Hoof Cream. At $12.99, it's pricier, but with over 20,000 sold last month, it's clearly doing something right. This coconut-scented cream is a cult favorite for a reason. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've had acrylics, gels, or just deal with brittle, peeling nails, this cream penetrates deep to repair damage. It's packed with jojoba oil, calcium, and vitamins that actually strengthen nails from the inside out. I've seen people go from peeling layers to solid nails in weeks. And unlike greasy formulas, it absorbs fast, no sticky residue. Now, some people complained about the scent being too strong. Here's the thing though, it's coconut, so if you like that smell, it's actually pleasant. But if you're sensitive to fragrances, it might bother you. Also, it's a cream, so it's not as portable as an oil. This is perfect for you if you want serious repair and growth for weak or damaged nails. Skip this one if you prefer fragrance-free or travel-friendly options. At $13, it's a solid investment for long-term nail health.
Product number 3, Sally Hansen Vitamin E Cuticle Oil. If hardest hoof is too heavy for daily use, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Sally Hansen Vitamin E Cuticle Oil. At $6.74, it's affordable, and with 10,000 plus sold last month, it's a popular pick for daily maintenance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This oil is lightweight and fast absorbing, making it ideal for daytime use. It's enriched with vitamin E, apricot kernel oil, and aloe, all known for deeply nourishing dry cuticles without clogging pores. I keep a bottle at my desk and use it after hand washing. The 47 milliliter size means it lasts months, even with regular use. Now, some people complained it doesn't do much for severely damaged cuticles. Here's the thing though, this isn't a repair treatment, it's a maintenance oil. If your cuticles are crocked or peeling, you need something stronger first. But for everyday hydration, it's excellent. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, no-fuss oil for daily cuticle care. Skip this one if you're dealing with serious damage or want visible growth results. For under $7, it's a reliable staple.
Product number 4, Savalan Cuticle Oil Pens. That was a solid oil, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for on-the-go care. The Savalan 6-pack Cuticle Oil Pens. At $6.99 for 6 pens, it's one of the best values here. And with 9,000 plus sold, people love the convenience. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These pens are perfect for travel, work, or throwing in your purse. Each one has a soft brush tip for mess-free application, and they come in fun, fruity scents like strawberry and green apple. The blend includes vitamin E, tea tree oil, and jojoba, great for moisturizing and preventing peeling. I've used them after gel manicures, and they really help rehydrate dry edges. Now, some people complained the oil flow is inconsistent. Sometimes too much comes out. Here's the thing though, you can control it by turning the pen slowly. Also, since there are 6, even if one acts up, you've got backups. This is perfect for you if you want portable, easy-to-use cuticle care with variety. Skip this one if you prefer unscented or larger bottles. At under $7 for 6, it's a steal for daily use.
Product number 5, C-Care Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. If you want a luxurious, natural option, the C-Care Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil stands out. At $6.99 for 2.5 ounces, it's one of the largest bottles here, and with 8,000 plus sold, it's clearly resonating with people who want clean ingredients. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This oil is 100% natural, paraben-free, and packed with cold-pressed sweet almond oil, known for deep hydration and skin repair. It absorbs fast, leaves no greasy feel, and smells subtly sweet. I've used it nightly, and my cuticles look healthier in just a few days. The dropper and brush make application precise and hygienic. Now, some people complained the scent is too mild, almost unnoticeable. Here's the thing though, that's actually a plus if you dislike strong perfumes. It's designed to be gentle, not overpowering. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, effective oil with salon quality results at home. Skip this one if you prefer scented products or travel-sized options. For under $7, it's a premium feel at a budget price.
So which one should you pick? If you need fast cuticle removal, go Sally Hansen Gel. For serious repair, Onyx Hard as Huff. For daily hydration, the Sally Hansen Oil. For portability, Savaland Pens. And for clean natural care, C-Care Almond Oil. Each solves a different problem, so match it to your needs, not the hype.